Hi friends, I am Priyasharma and I am so glad to have you back. Today I have a very quick DIY card for Raksha Bandhan. I'll be using some beautiful dies from Mixed Craft Area by Muskan. So let's get started with the video. As you can see, on the right I have the Hearts and Stars cover plate die and on the left I have the intricate flower Doily Die. To save time, I have already die cut my panel from a golden yellow metallic cardstock, and for the doily I have used gold mirror cardstock. For the sentiment, I am using the Happy Raksha Bandhan stamp set from Craftangles. First, I'll stamp the Raksha Bandhan sentiment on a white cardstock strip and then I'll die cut it with a stitched rectangle die. All the dies that I'm using today are from Mixed Craft Area. You can find the product links in the description box in case you're interested in buying. Now let's assemble the card as shown in the video. I'm also taking a white circle die cut to place behind the doily. Before I stick my panel on the card base, I'll round the corners using a crocodile corner chomper. I'm using the 1/8 inch size. Back the sentiment strip with a double-sided foam tape. And here our card is ready. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for stopping by. I would really appreciate your support in likes, shares and comments. And if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care and bye for now.